AutoDock Vina is quite similar to AutoDock except few steps. Vina is quite fast and command-based while AutoDock is graphic-based and slow. We start with a similar way by opening the receptor and ligand files in PDBQT format. Next, we assign our receptor as macromolecule. We generate the grid box where the potential energy will be allotted. Here, as 6Lu7 is a small macromolecule, we take the spacing as 0.5 angstrom while the ideal spacing is always 1 angstrom. In this case also, we save the grid box in text format but do not run the AutoGrid to generate the map files. The sequences marked in yellow indicate the amino acids in the probable active site. Carefully cover the entire active site within the grid box. Now we don't need the AutoDock tool anymore. Go to the workspace or working folder where you have stored all the files. Create the config file with your receptor and ligand name. Follow the text carefully on the screen to avoid mistakes during the run. Now carefully specify the grid dimension by taking reference from the grid text file. Specify the exhaustiveness. It implies the number of runs. Save it in the same working folder. Now go to the search box of the File Explorer and open command prompt by typing cmd. Or else, open command prompt from start and type the whole file location by copying it from the search box or folder properties. Carefully type the code as you see on the screen. Your AutoDock Vina is running successfully. You can check the progress of the run in the command prompt. Your run is complete. You can check the ranked poses along with their binding energy. The least binding energy at the top. Your output will be saved in a log text file and output in PDBQT format for further interpretation.